Again, more than a few sections ago, we changed our mode of using Sage from one where we're depending on other people's computers, depending on my computer. Again, Sage is free to use. Unfortunately, if you're using the web-based version, although you're using free software, you're using other people's resources and they may start to charge you for it, and be aware of that. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm using my own computer to run the free Sage software. So reset. Again, if I ever get tired, I'll do a copy paste. X is a variable. By the way, copy pasting can still cause trouble. And you're going to find that out, particularly students taking computer science, that copy pasting causes lots of troubles. All right. We've done LCM in this section over here. I'll type that in, LCM 50 and 50. Well, that should be easy. That should be 50, right? That wasn't bad. Now let me test my skill set out of here. LCM. Let's say you really nasty teacher. Let's give you this problem over here. I'll type this in now. And I said, hey, what's the LCM between those two numbers? I don't know. I hate to do it though. My God, look at that. Now, if I asked a student to do that, their head would rightly explode. My head would explode. I wouldn't want to do that. I really want to do it. So let me do the next line, and it'll look strange to you. You know what? I'm going to redo this line with that code, and it would say, it says after doing it, factor it. Wow, it actually factored it. That's not bad. All right, let me do this over here. Again, this may be incomprehensible to you. And why is it incomprehensible? It's like any new language. It's incomprehensible and nursed until you become fluent in it. I'm going to tell you what this does to me. It takes two polynomials. The first polynomial is x squared minus 6x plus 9. The second polynomial is x squared minus 2x minus 3. What did it do? It found the LCM between those two polynomials and put the factored form down. All right. So I realize for a lot of students are saying, well, I don't even know what this applies to, the problems that we've just done. So let me go back over that. And, when I go back over it, I hate looking for, this. I really do. But I'm looking for it. I'm actually looking for it. It makes me dizzy to look for it, to be honest with you. I hate looking for it. I don't think I'm going to find it. It's right there. See that? Yeah. X squared minus 6x plus 9. One of the first problems we did, actually. X squared minus 2x minus 3. What I do, factored it, and then I wrote the LCM down. Again, you might say, oh, a computer could do this. Why do I need to learn? You need to learn to do simple things. More complicated things, yeah, machines are going to be necessary. Then go back to my Sage code. And again, we're trying to look at the problems as Sage is being coded. We're trying to learn from that, not memorize though. I'm not asking you to memorize anything. But what you could do is retype this stuff in, or just simply do a copy paste. Let me just do that last one. Look kind of nasty. And I'll talk about it. It does look nasty to me. So what does it give me? It actually gives me, there's two terms here. This is the first term. It's separated by addition term. Oh, I'm sorry, three terms. This is the second term. This is the third term. What does it do? It basically combines these three terms together into one term. I'm going to scroll back in the notes. Again, I don't like doing this, but I'm looking for the answer x minus, oh, it's right there. First one. What are we doing over here? We took these three terms. They're right over here. This is the first term. It's right there. This is the second term. It's right there. This is the third term. It's right there. Whoops, sorry about that. And what do we ask to do? Combine them together and factor it. And it did. It did a remarkable job. Much quicker than we can do it. Here's the deal, though. I can't say this enough times. You must be able to do this by hand. You must be able to do this by hand. Thank you.